A600S11 armrest disassembly tutorial. Use a cloth or other soft material to cover a word screwdriver. Avoid scratching spray paint parts. Pre-open the armrest trim strip. Remove the handrail back end fixing screw 8. Remove the front end of the handrail fixing screw 2. Detach the armrest assembly. The separated handrail is connected with the trachea and the plug-in, and the handrail component is removed. The left handrail component disassembly refers to the right handrail. The disassembly can be